Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am always looking to supercharge my workouts, and that's exactly how I feel with this awesome vest from Ragebby. This is a weighted vest that is made of a really good neoprene fabric. It's completely adjustable with the straps in front, and I can take my phone with me or whatever else I need in a handy pocket in the back. The vest itself is so evenly distributed. It has real sand in it that really helps you to get the most out of your workouts. If you're looking to improve your posture, this is awesome for walking or just for doing chores around the house. I really also love the way that it helps me add resistance to my workouts, packing in a punch in such a short amount of time. As I mentioned, the quality of this is really great. You can see the double stitching up close, the really sturdy straps that are really finely sewn in, and that weight. It really shows that it's built to last and maintains its shape in every workout. I never feel like I'm off balance while wearing this vest. It's also really comfortable even though it's heavy because everything is well padded. You can see that because it's fully adjustable, this would be perfect for a man or a woman's frame. And I really feel like I can get the most out of my workouts when I use this weighted vest. It's really added in so much to my walks as well as when I'm just doing my chores around the house. And I really feel like I'm getting a great benefit while using this well-made vest. And that's my point of view.